A study by the American Cancer Society shows 40% of cancer cases in adults are caused by risk factors that people can, in fact, control. Things like diet, weight and exercise. Jonathan Seri joins us. Jonathan, I want more detail on this one, please.
Yeah, indeed. Well, a lot of people assume that there's really nothing that you can do about cancer. We've all heard the headlines about increasing cancer rates in Americans under the age of 50. But a new study published today by the American Cancer Society finds that we are much more in control of those risk factors than previously thought. They conducted a study of U.S. adults ages 30 years and older, and they found that 4 in 10 cancer cases and nearly half of all cancer deaths can be attributed to risk factors that we have the ability to change. By far, smoking is the leading of the risk factors, contributing to nearly 30% of cancer deaths.
So it's important to not start smoking or to stop if you are, but also recognizing that another component of that is really related to unhealthy weight, diet, lifestyle, activity, alcohol, and even vaccination, particularly the HPV vaccination, which we recognize as a large part of several different cancers.
Dr. Arif Kamal of the American Cancer Society says people can further reduce their risk by avoiding excessive sun exposure, eating more fruits and vegetables, and reducing their consumption of processed meat and red meat.
The things we're talking about are changes that we have in our control, that are changes that are not drastic in terms of how we're living. We're not saying cut red meat out altogether. It's just doing it less.
Many of these lifestyle changes are interconnected. For example, a healthier diet can lead to a healthier weight. And that's important because according to this study, excessive body weight was the second leading changeable risk factor. It contributed to nearly 8% of cancer cases in the study group and more than 7% of cancer deaths. Stuart?
Jonathan, thank you very much indeed.